I'm calling this one Twist and Turn. Look at how beautiful this is. Great beginner project. So if you're new to this, watch this because you're going to love it. First, I want to tell you what I'm using. I am using a fat quarter bundle. Now, a fat quarter bundle is a group of fabrics that come from the same fabric collection. This is a group of 9 fabrics. It's from Art Gallery, and it's called the Curator. That's C-U-R, the number 8, T-O-R. When you do a fat quarter bundle, the nice part about it is you get to have a sample of every piece of fabric in the collection. And it measures 18 by 22. It's nice enough size that you can cut out most of the pieces for a lot of these quilt blocks. That's the beauty of this. So the Curator fat quarter bundle, get it. It's wonderful. So this is very simple. You need to cut 4-inch squares out of 2 pieces of your fabric, all right? And then you need to get your black or your white, whatever you want to use as the outline. Listen, if you're doing lighter colors, black is a great contrast, so I chose black for this. These strips need to measure 2 1/4 by 7 1/2. That is all you need for this quilt block. And another reason I say this is great for beginners is because you're not matching points. You don't have any of that stuff to, any of those normal challenges you have on a more regular quilt block. You don't have it. So you start by stitching these 2 blocks together like this, right? And when you do that, they look like this. Then you add the black strips to either side. That's it. That is the quilt block. Your finished one measures 7 1/2 inches square. So when you make this time and time again, I made a bunch of them for this sample. Fastest thing I've done in a very long time. All you do is turn them every other which way, and you've got it. So look, friends, twist and turn, whoops, twist and turn. That is a winner. I hope you give this one a try. Hope you'll follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, happy sewing.